You have dreams, big ones. Maybe you want to build a business, write a book, get in shape, or master a new skill. But every time you try to start, your energy disappears. You feel paralyzed, scrolling for hours, watching others succeed, while your to-do list gathers dust. Does that mean you're lazy? No, it means you're overwhelmed. And today, we're going to fix that. Let's be honest. Ambition without action is a frustrating place to live. You think big but move slow. You want change, but everything feels like too much. Here's the truth. You don't need more motivation. You need a system. A way to outsmart your brain and get moving even when you don't feel like it. And I'll show you how to do that, step by step. Step 1, shrink your mountain. That thing you've been putting off. Break it into tiny, laughably simple pieces. Want to write a book? Don't aim for a chapter. Write a sentence. That's it. Just one. Want to get fit? Don't commit to an hour at the gym. Do 5 push-ups, or just put on your shoes. Because once you start, momentum takes over. Think of your brain like an engine. It takes the most fuel to start, not to keep running. Step 2, make friction your enemy. Laziness thrives in chaos. If your space is messy, your goals are unclear, your time is unmanaged, your brain will look for the easy way out every time. So clear the path. Lay your clothes out the night before. Put your guitar on a stand, not in the closet. Place your book where your phone used to go. Reduce decisions, remove distractions, and the lazy part of your brain won't have as many excuses to delay. Step 3, attach new habits to old ones. This is called habit stacking. If you brush your teeth every morning, use that as your anchor. Right after brushing, write one sentence, or stretch for 30 seconds, or drink a glass of water. Link your new action to something automatic, and you'll trick your brain into building a routine without resistance. Now let's talk about your phone, the biggest thief of time and ambition in modern life. Every scroll is a trade. Your dream for someone else's highlight reel. You don't need to quit cold turkey, but you do need to control it. Set app limits. Use grayscale. Move social apps off your home screen. Reclaim your focus before your screen time becomes your lifetime. Step 4, set a start ritual. This is a short routine you do before any deep work. Light a candle, play the same song, count down from 5. Your brain loves patterns. When you create a mental on switch, productivity stops being something you force and starts becoming something you flow into. Step 5, embrace the 2-minute gateway. The goal is not to finish. The goal is to begin. Read one paragraph, clean one drawer, open the document. That first step lowers the wall in front of you, and once you're in motion, staying in motion becomes natural. Remember, action beats perfection every single time. Here's a little science. Your brain releases dopamine when you complete a task, even a tiny one. So when you check off a small win, you actually rewire your brain to crave more progress. That's how you go from stuck to unstoppable. You build the identity of someone who follows through, one micro win at a time. Now, let's talk routines. Stop relying on motivation. It's not dependable. Motivation comes and goes like the weather. Systems are what stay. Build your day around anchor points. Morning routine, focus block, short walk, review and reset, evening wind down. These don't need to be long, just consistent. Your brain craves rhythm. Feed it structure and it will reward you with clarity. And here's a bonus tip. Celebrate ridiculously small victories. Brushed your teeth and made your bed? Win. Opened your notebook? Win. Put your phone down for 10 minutes? Huge win. The more you celebrate progress, the more your brain associates effort with reward. And that's how lazy starts to disappear. It's also important to talk to yourself differently. Stop saying, "I'm lazy." Start saying, "I'm building momentum." Your identity shapes your actions. If you believe you're someone who makes progress, you'll act like it. Every time you show up, you cast a vote for the person you're becoming. So vote wisely. Let's zoom out. What if you did one small, consistent thing every day for the next year? Just 10 minutes a day. That's 50 minutes. That's over 60 hours. Do you really think your life wouldn't change? Imagine what your relationships, your skills, your bank account, and your confidence could look like. This isn't about hustle culture. It's about choosing action over excuses, choosing progress over perfection, choosing yourself over your fears. You don't need to be the most productive person alive. You just need to be someone who shows up, even when it's hard. Especially when it's hard. Because here's the truth no one tells you. Discipline is easier than regret. Consistency beats intensity. And tiny actions create massive results over time. So here's what I want you to do. Right now, not tomorrow. Not when you feel ready. Pick one goal, shrink it down, do the tiniest version of it, then reward yourself. Feel the win, let it stick. Then tomorrow, do it again. Don't chase motivation. Build habits, don't aim for perfection. Aim for progress. And remember, you don't have to change everything overnight. You just have to begin. Your potential is still waiting. Don't let another scroll bury it. Take the first step today.